Coal-powered steam locomotives were the very first rail vehicles. Many people believe that they are now obsolete, and it is true, this type of engine is inferior to modern technology. But in spite of this, in many countries, such steam locomotives are still actively used due to their advantages, reliability and autonomy. Why do people continue to use coal-fired steam locomotives? They have many advantages. As we said earlier, it is reliable. Its simpler design makes it less likely to suffer an in-service fault to completely immobilize it. The simplest steam locomotive is a lot easier to build than any comparable vehicle. It also has a lot of pull when you start off. And you can use all sorts of fuels, anything that burns, even garbage. Who knows what determines the colour of smoke from steam locomotives? Please write about it in the comment. The steam engine isn't perfect. It has a number of disadvantages: danger of boiler explosion and high risk of fire due to open flames of burning fuel, the need for a large supply of water, as well as a large amount of soot and smoke that is emitted into the atmosphere. Another disadvantage is the low efficiency. It is connected with considerable loss of energy due to the release of steam and the inability to convert that energy into something useful.